apple, apricot, banana, blackberry, cherry, custard apple, grapes, guava, jackfruit, java plum, kiwi, lemon, mango, muskmelon, orange, papaya, pineapple, plum, pomegranate, pear, taxus, sapodilla, strawberry, tamarind, watermelon. Bitter gourd, bottle gourd, broccoli, cabbage, capsicum, carrot, cauliflower, chili, cluster beans, coriander leaf, corn, cucumber, curry leaf, eggplant, elephant foot yam, fenugreek, French beans, garlic, gherkins, ginger, green peas, lady finger, lima beans, long beans, mint, mushroom, onion, parwal, peas, potatoes, radish, spinach, squash, sweet potato, taro, tinda, tomato, turnip, bear, buffalo, camel, cat, leopard, chimpanzee, cow, deer, dog, donkey, elephant, fox, giraffe, goat, gorilla, hippopotamus, horse, hyena, kangaroo, leopard, lion, monkey, ox, penguin, pig, shahuti, puma, rabbit, rat, reindeer, rhino, sheep, snake, squirrel, tiger, wolf, yak, zebra, bulbul, heron, crow, cuckoo, pigeon, duck, eagle, emu, flamingo, goldfinch, gulls, hen, laughing dove, hummingbird, kingfisher, kiwi, myna, ostrich, owl, parrot, peacock, waterfowl, sparrow, swan, vulture, woodpecker. Waist, stomach, eyebrows, chest, ears, elbow, eye, face, fingers, legs, hair, hand, knee, lips, mouth, nails, neck, nose, shoulder, sole, thumb, tongue, teeth, dahlia, hibiscus, kumudini, lotus, magro, perennial, tulip, hibiscus, kumudini, lotus, magro, perennial, gulmohar, sunflower, tulip, rose, aster flower, daisy flower, abalone, narcissus flower, lorchid, Japanese flowers, diamond, heart, hexagonal, octagon, oval, pentagon, rectangle, rhombus, square, star, triangle, corn, cube, cylinder, prism. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Ambulance, auto rickshaw, bicycle, boat, bullock cart, bus, car, fighter plane, fire bombs, helicopter, horse cart, hovercraft. JCB, Jeep, rocket, scooter, ship, space shuttle, submarine, tank, tractor, train, truck, water scooter, ship.